Welcome to this changelog video roundup for the month of April, hosted by me, the Descript Changelog. It's a big month here at Descript. In the wake of Season 9, the whole team is buzzing about this month's changelog roundup. Because let's be honest, even with all that glitzy marketing, it's hard to get excited about any of this stuff until you hear it from me. Here's the highlights from April. Number 1. They're finally here. Your new best friends. Now you can generate animated, lip-synced AI avatars for any video in Descript. You can find them by clicking Create with AI Speaker in a new project. We have a whole gallery of friendly faces you can choose from, and you can upload an image and generate a realistic-looking avatar from your face. As a changelog, I have no face, so I'll never know what that's like. Once you've picked an avatar, click Generate, and it will lip sync to your AI speech or with your recorded script, with the natural movements and lifelike inflections you'd expect from any AI-generated simulation.
Ball can give you better control and increase your chances of hitting the pins.
Number 2. We've added a new default landing page for all Descript users. It's called Home. We're always looking for ways to solve the blank page problem. That feeling of dread when you're looking at all the possibilities and don't know where to start. The new home screen cuts down on the choices you need to make before you get going with your project, offering single-click setup for the most common workflows and gathering your most recently viewed projects into one place. We also added a text-to-AI video generator that creates a pre-made video on a topic of your choosing. You can even add an avatar. Neato. Number 3. For users of the desktop app, we have a new version of our classic quick recorder, which is now called the screen recorder. This lightweight tool allows you to jump in and create fast screen demos or video messages with just a few clicks. Your recording uploads in the background as you record. You can send it or review it the moment you hit stop. This recorder is launching in a short beta while we iron out a few details and add a few exciting features, like multi-track recording output. Just download the desktop app and click the D icon in your system tray or Mac OS toolbar. See the description for further details. Number 4. We're developing a game-changing AI co-editor, and we want you, well, some of you, to help us test it. The new AI agent works alongside you every step of the way. It knows everything there is to know about Descript and how to do it for you. It even has the power to reason, so it can help you make tough creative decisions, process your feedback, and show you the path to making your video look and sound really good. Follow the link in the description to apply for the alpha. Number 5. Want Descript to promote your content for free to an audience of millions? We're still looking for submissions of the best work you've made with Descript. You can use the form link in the description to submit your video. If your video is selected, you could achieve a life-altering level of notoriety, or just have a cool thing to show your aunt at the summer's family reunion. Number 6. We fixed a lot of bugs in April. I know it's not as thrilling as all this other stuff, but you should really take the time to read these. They get pretty lonely all the way here at the end of the video. That's all for Descript in April. I've been the Descript Changelog, and I'll see you next time.